Okay, so this is our hotel room in St. Kitts, West Indies. This is where Benjamin's sleeping. This is the door. It's a European style pack and play. We go in further. This is where the refrigerator is and all of Benjamin's delicious snacks, in addition to the peanut butter, wine, milk. To the right, bathroom. Big tub. Continue on. Stroller, car seats. King bed. Continue on. My dancing boys. This is our balcony. And this is the Marriott St. Kitts Resort. It's a very large pool in the center. We have a 180 ocean view.